Okay, so this year with us not using Jupyter to post your assignments, you might be wondering the best way to see a list of your assignments. So I'm going to show you two things to help you do that. You can see here I'm on my Google Classroom landing page. Go ahead and do that for yourself. And what you're going to look at are these two things, the to-do list and the calendar. You can access them from your landing page. You can also access them by clicking on the hamburger menu and going down to to-do or to calendar up here. I'm going to click on my to-do list, and this shows me the assignments I have coming up. These two assignments are due this week. When we get later on in the year, your teachers start posting things further out. You can see what's coming up next week later. And I also have a number of assignments that don't have due dates. Now these I can see were from a long time ago, so I should definitely go in and click them as done so that they stop showing up on my to-do list. Remember that you control this by clicking mark as done on your actual assignments. So I see that this assignment in 7B history is due, and all I have to do is click on it here and it takes me to the assignment. I don't actually have to navigate to the page. I can just click the assignment. If I go back, I've got big soccer tryouts this week and I want to plan my week. I can click on calendar and see how things are falling along the week so that I can plan my work efficiently. So this is a good way to see a list of your assignments and how they're spread out over the week. Don't hesitate to ask any of your teachers if you have any questions at all.